Suzuki Across is latest hybrid plug-in SUV built on the Toyota RAV4 platform. Thanks to this collaboration, this car is equipped with multiple safety features and multiple airbags. Right here you can find road sign assistant, traction control, stability control, driver monitoring system, 6 airbags, 2 ISOFIX latches, and also adaptive cruise control. Follow me in this video to learn how to use them all. Most of the safety features in this car can be found on the instrument cluster display. To access it, we have to firstly start ignition by pressing power button. Now, we have to manage instrument cluster via OK button on the steering wheel. In order to do it, using left-right button, aim for settings. Press and hold OK button to enter settings. And now we've got access to all safety features. Right here we can find LTA, blind spot monitoring, PCS, parking sensors, rear cross traffic alert, PKSB, road sign assistant. Each setting can be turned on or off, and some can be adjusted. In order to adjust them, press and hold OK button, and here in LTA we can enable lane center, we can change alert options and sensitivity. In PCS we can also change sensitivity, or we can completely disable this system. Parking sensors can be disabled, so you will not hear beeping while reversing. Rear cross traffic alert prevents from hitting obstacles while reversing. You can also disable it. It works similarly to parking sensors, but it applies brake automatically. Road sign assistant also can be disabled, and the road sign assistant indicator is located in the top left corner. It shows you what is the current speed limit on the road. In vehicle settings, you can also manage DRCC for road sign assistant and tailgate opening height. Last but not least, you can adjust tire pressure monitoring system or reset it. But these are not all informations we can find about safety in this car. Take a look in the center. Right here we can find traction control disabler that if you press and hold, you will also disable stability control. The car is also equipped with electric parking brake and auto hold function. Now I will show you where are locations of all airbags and ISOFIX in this car. The car is equipped with 6 airbags in standard with additional driver knee airbag. The airbags are located in front of the passenger and curtain of the car, inside the steering wheel, and on the other side the curtain airbag. Driver knee airbag is located under the steering wheel, and the last 2 airbags are located inside the driver's and passenger's seat. ISOFIX are also equipped in this car. These are standard in latest cars and can be found on 2 outer seats in the rear. While we are here, the car is also equipped with child lock for doors. You can find it on 2 outer doors in the rear row. Thanks to this simple switch, you can lock the doors and they will be able to open only from the outside. What's refreshing in Suzuki Across is details. In this car you can find full spare tire, thanks to which you can quickly exchange tire in case of the air pressure leak. Right here you can find the tire and all necessary tools. But safety comes not only with all system installed in this car. It is highly recommended to learn how to use the gearbox with the systems, so it will maximize your safety experience. Firstly, let's start the car. As you can see on the shifter, this is the classical shifter with button in the front that we have to use to switch from parking to reverse, neutral or drive. The car is also equipped with special mode, thanks to which you can manage gearbox manually. But in this car you don't change gears like this. This gesture actually changes regenerative braking force. You can also do the same thing by the paddles behind the steering wheel. The higher the level, the higher is the regenerative braking power, thanks to which you can charge the electric engine. And last but not least, you can find some safety features installed on the screen display. In order to access them, let's go to Car and go to Customize. Here, enter Door Control. Thanks to this menu, you can manage Door Auto Lock, Door Auto Unlock, Wireless Electronic Key Mode, and Smart Access Doors and Entry and Start. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.